Hi guys, we're back with another video. We're not cooking tonight. We're not doing none of that. We're drinking casually and having adult drinks. We're gonna do an unboxing for you guys, so stay with us.
Hi folks, we're doing an unboxing for you. It's a little something that we do every so often. What we got here is something we purchased the other day on Amazon.
And it might work, it might be a help for somebody else who is...
Yeah, this is just kind of information that if you're starting out with a new channel or something, you know, we found that doing our most of our videos during the daytime when it's bright and sunny and we can open up all the blinds and stuff and get a nice view, it helps versus the nighttime view of doing things in the house at night. So what we got here...
Who is it by first? Emart?
Oh, I don't know if that's the brand. I think it's Emart is the brand.
Emart International Incorporated.
Anyways.
So it comes in a nice little bag.
Nice little carrying case so you can...
put your stuff away and not
put it away and pack it up. And
this is really cool because here's the cool stuff part. In the end, he's going to tell you how much this costs. Now, it's probably... Uh-oh. Go around the corner. Oh, well, look at here. There we go. Jesus, baby back ribs. Okay.
Okay, it's a light kit, is what it is.
A studio kit.
A studio light kit. And this kit came with two white umbrellas, which are
reflective.
No, these are not the reflective.
No.
These are the shine throughs.
Okay. I don't know what that is, guys.
You put the light behind the umbrella and it shines through. The black ones are the reflective. So we're
going to show them both of them with the lights on. Okay.
They come with 3 tripods.
Well, look at that fly thing hanging. Let me move y'all away from there. Oh well, listen, we got flies up in here.
The third tripod is a smaller tripod.
And that's just for if we need one or
extra. It does extend out quite a bit.
It's about a yard or almost a yard.
Yeah, I think it's about a yard long. And I'll just keep that out.
Okay.
They come with 3 different lights.
Aren't you guys glad to see Mark?
Yeah, hi.
It's always me.
These are the lights. These mount on top of the tripod.
Just like that.
Just like
so. There's 3 of those mounts.
There's 3 of these that goes on top of each tripod.
So you're gonna mount the tall ones for them to see them.
Yeah, I'll mount.
Okay, you're gonna put the light bulbs in so they can see the illumination.
Everything that you need for the kit comes together. You get on this kit you get 3 tripods. You get 2 reflective umbrellas, 2 shine through umbrellas, 3 lights.
Well, one of the I think the purpose of the black and the white umbrella is one of them deflects, one of them reflects.
Right. And then your bigger tripod folds down to a smaller size to go into the case.
Oh, the battery's still full, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, it should be. The rings come out, so you can have it.
Let's see. This is totally
different ways.
There we go. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just trying to move the camera and get it level between the 2. There it is. It's level now.
And as you can see, this is fully retracted. It's got 2 different extensions, so it extends out quite a ways. I think this was...
that's huge. That is... Our ceilings are 10 feet.
I just hit my ceiling.
Yeah, we have 10 feet ceilings in here, so I'm absolutely sure that they're 10 feet.
And then your light kit would, whatever I did with it, would mount on top of... And then your umbrella goes on it.
I just had an emergency today. I got a little, not a real emergency, but the drink emergency, because I got a little cough. It ain't Corona, y'all quit it. Now, which ones did we use last night? Was it these? It was these two on each end of the kitchen.
I had two of these because we did try it last night to see how it worked. Now these are the light bulbs.
I think we had it at this level last night.
Yeah.
So why don't we raise it up a little higher and see how the light beams down? And we're gonna cut these lights out overhead.
This particular kit comes with a 45 watt bulb.
And don't drop that.
It will go up to 102 watts. So that's the yes, 102 watts.
150.
No, 102. Okay. So if the 45 watt bulb is not bright enough, you can put it up to, you could go to a 60 watt, a 75 watt, a 100 watt. I don't think you're going to find a 102 watt, but you might find a lot on Amazon.
These were great. This was a great steal of a deal. So if you're having problems at, you know, if you work on another shift and you have to do videos at night, or some people, listen, sometimes doing them during the day it's just hard. So sometimes you just have to do them at night. And Mark works during the day, so there are days that we can only do them at nighttime, or that he even feels bothered, like doing, you know, feeling bothered to do them at night if he feels like it. Now we have a way that we can do it, because at nighttime I noticed that the pixels in our camera look different, so he decided to buy lighting, and it's a studio kit, and it's really great. It illuminates the area really nice. So I'm really glad he thought to look for this, because oh, okay.
It's pretty bright.
So you might, that's why I said lift it, raise it all the way up above the camera, so that it, you know, up to, ooh, okay, well that's as far as that's gonna go. Let me try to lower the camera a little bit, and then
these are
so they can't really, so they can't see it, so they can. Okay, now you want to cut this light off overhead the island?
Yeah.
Oh, we.
How dim it is, probably barely see me.
Yeah.
And how bright it is. Now I'm gonna leave this one on. They won't even stick to it. The fly won't even stick to it.
I know, little sorry things. I've been running around here killing flies with ant spray, y'all. So I hate a bug. Luna, what do you want? Are you about to have somebody's baby? Yeah, no, nobody called you, Petey. Taste that. That's good. That is Smirnoff pineapple and lemonade.
I was gonna say it tastes like pineapple.
Move, bald spot. I'm sorry, that bald spot is unbecoming. Wait, move, Luna. You mommy pretty girl. Oh, yeah. You want mommy to show you your pretty girl? Like, yeah, you're a pretty baby. Here, you guys, while he's doing that, I'm going to show you our dogs. Say hi, Luna. Here's your mama pretty baby. Luna. Nah, don't. She about to have a baby. The other one is Petey. He's the one with the bald spot that ain't never been right since Mark cutting. You know, I wonder. You know, I didn't realize that this camera had a leveler on the back.
Yeah.
It's not even the camera, it's the thing, right?
It's the, yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to get it as level as I can. Of course, you know, we live in a modular, so. Okay, so that we're not shining them down in their face, though. Or in their face. I'm sorry, y'all. Maybe it's just my face. He's got the other one up. Let me lift up so you guys can see. Are you gonna move them to each side of the island like we did?
Yeah.
Okay. Mark, where did you get this tripod? Jesus.
I think that came with the other camera when we had it.
Now he's gonna shut off all the lights so you guys can see these lights in their full illumination. They are bright, bright. Yeah, we had hamburgers tonight. I'm full. Ooh.
Lights out.
Okay. Now, so that we can see really good. Okay. Yes. Ooh wee. I told him, I said, we might want to use them for floor lamps. Look how bright everything is, and we don't have any lights on. And so when I cook at night, this makes it so much easier for me. And when we cut on the backlight, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to have him take the camera so you guys can see behind us to see what it looks like, you know, on the back wall.
Right.
So you might want to, if you
and this is just the two.
Yeah. Yeah, when the white one's on, it's like daytime in here. It's like the sun is shining outside. Can you turn back light so they can, like these 4 behind me? Or any?
There's only one.
I'm looking at 4 though.
No,
okay.
hooked to these.
What's hooked to what? Okay, so what you talking about? They hooked to what? Okay, all right. Illuminates everything around us, behind us. And the problem that we were having was when I would cook at night, or I would have to do something like that at night, the pixels would even look different on the camera. You know what I mean? Because of not enough nice lighting. So these are a vast improvement. So you want to show them the other umbrellas?
Yeah.
Okay, here, I'll take that. I'll turn it around. We're a mess, guys. Okay. Ooh, okay, wait a minute. There we go.
Now, as you can see, the white ones are kind of see-through. So,
and in case of emergency and you ain't got no umbrella, take that outside with you.
I don't think they're waterproof. I don't think they're waterproof.
What do you think if there was a colorful umbrella? Like my totes, the rainbow one. Look, I'm silly. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you know. Sorry, guys. All this moving. I don't usually do the filming, so. So that dims the light a little bit.
It dims the light. These would be more, I believe, for like photography.
Photography?
Yeah, photography.
Photography. Photography.
Where you've got studio light, but you're trying to add a little bit.
Or if you're trying to keep it in one specific area. Right. I think that's why they came with the black umbrellas, because the black umbrellas with the silver reflects.
It reflects.
And this, if you put these on the outside of those,
right,
it kind of boxes in the light to where it makes it central. See, if you look at these lights on the camera, what is going on, Peter? Look, no, go on. You look at these lights on the camera, you can see the areas where they're reflecting it, right, and it's dimmer down lower by you or over here.
And you can turn these actually around.
And that'll spread the light.
It'll spread the light.
And it'll close it out behind you.
Right.
Well, this is a nice little still of a deal, y'all. Oh yeah, it's kind of bright.
Yeah. Personally, myself, for what we do, I think the black ones, the reflective ones, are going to be the ones to use.
Yeah, that's what we need.
They've got the reflective inside to them. And
I think that's still of a deal.
Now, for the big reveal, we did buy these used.
Which actually look very brand new.
I don't think they were used. I think they were because they were from...
Had them stored, maybe?
They came from Southern California. So I think they were probably purchased from a studio and never used. I only paid $40 for them.
Yes.
These are like $70, $80 brand spanking new.
It's just enough for our kitchen, too.
So...
Kitchen's kind of big. It's probably the biggest room in our house,
So... I would almost go out on a limb if I could find another set for $40 of ordering another set if I needed them. But I think, like she says, for what we have here, what we're going to use it for, I think it's going to work perfect.
I do. I think it's just enough. I don't think
it was a steal of a deal for $40.
Indeed.
I can't go wrong. Even if I did get gypped on it, I was only out $40, and I would
I think you got.
I would have sent them back.
I mean, you got a case that it goes in. The lights have a case that they go in. I think you got a deal.
They considered them used, but they're brand spanking new. Nothing was never opened. When I opened everything up last night, I was the first one to open it.
So, yeah, I think it's a nice deal. We just wanted to come to you guys with something that maybe you could look up. We will put, since you're the one who paid for it, I need the link and I will put it in our channel. I'll put it in the description box below so that they can possibly, even if it's the last one, there's similar ones on there for maybe 10 or 20 bucks more.
Right.
And if you're investing in your channel, it's a small investment.
It's a small investment
that will make such a difference, and especially for people who do film at night. Now, everybody don't live how we live over here with this big wide open concept. They don't have to light up all this area that we do, but they may not have to. But if they have a smaller area, this would be perfect. If they have a a more bigger area like this would be perfect. So I just thought that we could do a video on this, to not just for us, but to help other YouTubers out who are just starting and don't have the money to purchase.
Not a lot of YouTubers would think of purchasing studio lighting.
It's cheap.
It's cheap, and
it'll help.
It helps
get you where you gotta go till you get there. So I mean, just
anything to make your videos just a little bit more enticing.
Yeah. So it's better than, it's better than not letting things be as they are because you think you have to pay a whole lot for studio lighting. And maybe it's not, film studio lighting, but who's on a film setting?
Right.
So with that being said, guys, take us out of here, Sam.
Like, share, subscribe to the video if you liked it. Let us know if you liked it. Hit the bell notification at the bottom. I think it's on the right.
Yeah, it is.
I forget. Hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our new upcoming videos.
Yes, guys. We hope you have a good we hope you have a good night, and thanks for viewing, and we will see you in the next video.